maybe it's good to be back. I can't go too crazy now because I got the check engine light still. I don't think that that's what caused the engine to blow up, but you know, better safe than sorry, brother. I have tried so many different things to try to get that to go away, but it remains. I unplugged the. Slow down a bit with this wind, probably absolutely difficult to hear me over. But the exit valve, it's got one of those for the exhaust and the stock exhausts. I unplugged that. I plugged in an eliminator. It went away for a little bit, but I might have a video of it. If I do, I'll show you that. What's going on, guys? Past hoodlum here. By the time you see this, this will probably all be the new fairings, but as it is now, we've got the new engine in. There's the old one. As you can see, gigantic fucking hole. Matter of fact, here's the rod from it. That is probably what made that hole, to be honest. I'm gonna tear that whole thing down, try to see exactly what the fuck went wrong with it, because I'm not 100% sure yet. But I want to make mention of something real quick. D70, D63, D62, and D61. I think even D60. But all those show 0, which means that there are no codes stored in the ECU at this time. Alright, so there's been a few things that I've tried at this point. I tried the ground point here on the back of the dash. I got a new fairing stay, and the paint on it was covering the ground, so I grinded that paint down so it's actually able to make a connection with the ground to the frame. That didn't fix it. After doing a little bit more research, I've now tried taking off the X-Up servo. That's unplugged right there, and it is displaying the exact same symptoms as before, so I'm thinking that's likely it. Just ordered the part, and it'll be hopefully here soon. But I will keep you updated. Alrighty. Problem solved. But it went away for a little bit, and I took it for a test drive. And during that test drive, it would flash on for a little bit. Not like flash, but like it would come on for a little bit, and then it would like turn back off and go away again. And it would do that for about half the ride. The last half of the ride, it turned on and just stayed on ever since that point. So I'm not really sure what the heck is going on with it. If you have an idea, please by all means let me know, because I want to get to the bottom of it. On that note, I've got a new engine in this thing, and it's blue now. In a little bit I'll hop off and I'll show you a little look around it real quick. I almost completely forgot to show off the new plastics. It's got a lot better fitment around the headlights. Not perfect, but big scratch from the accident. Fuck it. I'll probably put this, edit this in to the middle of the ride. Okay, bye. Now, the reason why I don't think it was the check engine light is there are no codes for that, so I have no idea what that check engine's for. It shows up as 0 codes. It's got a own built-in like diagnostic feature. You can't plug like an OBD2 into it or anything, I guess. I find that hard to believe, but from all the research that I've done, there's just no OBD2 plug-in port, or even OBD1 plug-in port for that matter. This is my second attempt at making this video, actually. I tried a whole new audio setup and with like recording my voice with my Cardo, but that did not go to plan. The audio just sounded absolutely atrocious. I have to record with the GoPro still, 100%. I'd like to have split up the audio of my voice and like the motorcycle and all that, but can't have it all. Now, with all that being said, this thing is definitely far from perfect. I've had so many issues with this. Hello, Mr. Police Officer. I've had so many different issues with this thing, it's unreal. But the reason why I don't think it's has anything to do with the check engine light with the motor blowing up is I got into an accident only a week after I got this. I was not ready for the power that this thing produces. I've gotten used to it now, but before I couldn't do this. I may have made mention of it in a different video, but it would, if I let go of the handlebars at like 50 plus, it would wobble. It'd get death wobble so bad. I think that might have been the tire balancing issue, or a tire balancing issue. I'm not entirely sure. I redid, because I had to redo the head bearings, and I also got new tires mounted and balanced. So it could have been any number of those things that have gotten rid of it. I'm just glad it's gone. I don't have to worry about, letting go of my handlebars and, I'm dead. Tank slapper. Aside from that, this bike has some other different issues, like the OEM stator. It likes to grenade itself, I guess, like the little magnets that spin around on the inside of it, inside of the engine nonetheless too. Yeah, that can just explode and your motor's toast. So I've gotten that replaced. I don't have to worry about that. Fingers fucking crossed. But yeah, no, the only real issue with this thing currently, I think, is that check engine light. My best guess of what the issue was is I neglected to take care of the timing chain, or the cam chain tensioner. I was hearing a noise and I was like, it's probably nothing. I really should have taken it to a shop and had that looked at, or done the work and replaced the cam chain tensioner myself. But, you know, lesson learned. Very expensive lesson, but lesson learned. Puppy. Brother! Look at that view. Gorgeous. Oh man, I need to do a track day. I got a buddy that's trying to convince me to do it, and trust me, I'm already convinced I want to do it. It's just that's an extremely expensive hobby. Motorcycling already is a very expensive hobby. Track day out to top it off, when you need to rent or buy out the leathers, you need to make sure your bike's up to snuff, everything is perfect, or if you don't, you have to rent the bike as well. It's just more and more and more money. Oh man, Wolfboro is such a beautiful town. I got the American Legion, the big cannon right there. Up here to the left, we actually have a tank bursting out of this museum here, which is so cool. That's been there since I was a kid. Beautiful house. Yeah, I remember I used to come over here for like baseball games, and we'd have that tank every time. Oh, it was just so cool. Alright bros, I'll be back when this gets interesting. not even going all the way, man, and it's just so fun. I'm just touching what this thing is capable of. Alright, bros, I think that's where I'm gonna wrap it up. Have a good one.